Want to make a delicious and super easy main dish that takes about 20 minutes? Well, here's one that I love to make for a work from home lunch idea. This is my version of a simple frozen vegetable stir fry with rice noodles from A Taste of Thai noodle company. And I'm using here bird's eye vegetables that I bought right at Costco that come in a bag with sauce packets, and I'm going to teach you how to use the right way. So hey, it's me, Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm taking you into the kitchen and I'm going to teach you the right way to make a stir fry with frozen vegetables, because definitely the way that they explain it on the package does not always create the best recipe ever. So here we go. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sit Bite Go channel on YouTube for more delicious restaurant-style meals you can make at home. So let's get right to it and bring a pot of water to a boil and add A Taste of Thai rice noodles or whatever other rice noodles you have. Now you can use the linguini variety like I had here, or you can use rice noodles vermicelli or rice noodles slim cut. So the rice noodles cook in a few minutes. Well, for the thinner ones, they cook really fast, a couple minutes. And then the thicker linguini style rice noodles take up to 10 minutes to cook. So you want to cook that, and then you get your vegetables going in another pan. So then you add bird's eye frozen vegetables or whatever frozen vegetables you have to a medium pan on the stove with a 1/4 cup water. Now, like I said, I use the bird's eye frozen vegetable stir fry mix. It comes with an Asian sauce packet, as it's called, which is some soy-based sauce packet. And those are perfectly fine to use in this, but I'm going to give you a little bit different directions than you find on the package, because this is the way that I found works the best for making a simple frozen vegetable stir fry with rice noodles. So the bird's eye frozen vegetables cook in a medium pan set on medium heat on the stove with a 1/4 cup water. You cover the pot with a cover and that helps keep it steaming all nicely in there for about 2 minutes until most of the water evaporates in the pan. Now you're going to do a little bit of hands-on work. It's only 5 to 10 minutes until your dish is done. So to finish making this stir fry, you remove the lid and you add 1 sauce packet to the pan of vegetables. Then you add a 1/4 cup water to the pan, yes, again, and you stir together the vegetables and the sauce packet so they combined. Adding the extra water at this step actually keeps the sauce from burning. I find if I only add the Asian sauce packet to the bird's eye vegetables, they start burning, and that is no good because a lot of cooking has to go on and the rice noodles have to get in there too. What happens now is that the water steams out and the vegetables cooked a little bit more. So now it's time to add another one of the Asian sauce packets to the vegetable stir fry, and then add a little bit more water, another 1/4 cup of water, and then the mixture is going to bubble. And hopefully you already strained your rice noodles and those are ready to plop right into here and start stirring. Now, you're only going to have to stir this for like 10 or 20 seconds because it's going to really quickly absorb the sauce into those rice noodles. So at this point you want to turn off the heat because you don't want anything to burn and you don't want the sauce to be cooking any further with the vegetables and rice noodle linguinis. So then I grabbed a little bit of herbs from my kitchen window. This is cilantro, and I added some cilantro leaves and some sesame seeds to the top of this simple stir fry dish, and it was a really, really good smelling lunch in my house and something that was really filling and lasted me till dinner. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sit Bite Go channel on YouTube for more delicious restaurant-style meals you can make at home. Now, I just want to leave you with a few tips so you can really successfully make a simple frozen vegetable stir fry at home. So the first thing that I want to share is that you can use stir fry frozen vegetables and then add in other frozen vegetables, but just make sure that they're about the same size and similar types. Like if you add in some frozen snap peas or frozen edamame that's already removed from the shell, that will actually work really well with this bird's eye vegetable stir fry mix. Now, if you buy a vegetable stir fry bag that doesn't have a sauce packet, you could just use some peanut sauce in with this stir fry or any other type of teriyaki sauce that you have in the fridge. And then my last tip for you is that this can become one of the best frozen stir fry recipes for a weeknight if you add a little protein like some diced chicken or pulled pork or even some poached eggs to it. One of my favorite things to meal prep is actually pizza. I love to make par-baked pizza dough. It's one of my favorite things to do in advance because you can freeze them and take them out at a moment's notice to whip up some pizza, or you could just prepare them to go on the grill and make grilled pizza with the par-baked pizza dough. Anyways, I have a whole tutorial out right now at sitbitego.com and on the SitBiteGo YouTube channel for you to check out. You'll be able to learn how to par-bake pizza dough to freeze or bake later. If you want to get your next pizza night going on a good note, make it fast and make it with par-baked pizza. Here are a few other easy recipes you can make at home.